Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like an out of focus background. Just trying to find one where the background isn't actually focused. Sorry, it is focused, like this one. So I'm going to select the video and I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout on the second layer. I will then go to effects and I will go to opening and closing. And I will add in the second camera focus one. And I'm just going to adjust the blur here. And it's going to focus after a few seconds, so just add that, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!